Dear friends, welcome to Bond with RK Chemistry YouTube channel. I want to share a very good news for lecture post aspirants and also the freshly relieved PG students. Recently, APSET 2020-21 notification has been out. The official notification of APSET 2020-21 was released by Andhra University on 4th August 2021. The examination will be conducted by Andhra University on 31st October 2021. The clearing of APSET 2020-21 is very important. It's a wonderful opportunity. In short time, you have degree college lectures notification. Maybe in 2022 February, there will be notification regarding degree college lecturers. So the clearing of APSET 2020-21 is very important for freshly relieved PG students and also the lecture post aspirants. In this video, I will give some information regarding important dates of APSET notification and eligibility criteria of APSET notification and what are the subjects which are listed in APSET notification, exam pattern, and also I will give some information regarding benefits of clearing of APSET. The important dates, already APSET notification was released on 4th August 2021. The commencement of submission of online applications will be started on 11th August 2021. In coming video, I will explain registration and online filling of application of APSET. Last date for submission of online application is 13th September 2021 without late fee. With late fee, you have 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees, 5000 rupees plus registration fee. The dates will be 21st September, 28th September, and 8th October. With late fee, 8th October is the last date. And the downloading of all tickets 22nd October, and the date of examination is on 31st October 2021. These two dates are important, commencement of submission of online and also date of examination. These two dates are important. You have to remember these two dates. And what is the eligibility criteria? Already passed out students and the pursuing students are eligible. For passed out students, if the student belongs to open category, the student should get at least 55% of marks in master's degree. And in other categories, BC, SC, ST, transgender, and physically challenged, and the person who completed PhD, they should get at least 50% of marks in master's degree. And pursuing students are also eligible. Pursuing a master's degree should pass master's degree within 2 years from the date of set results. This is the condition. The pursuing students, the first year students or second year students, both are eligible, but they should pass master's degree within 2 years from the date of set results. Okay. Next, it's advised to appear in the subject of their PG only. If the subject is not listed in APSET notification, you have to apply the subject which is related to the subjects which are notified. And there is no upper age limit for applying for this set examination. There is no upper age limit. There are 30 subjects which are listed in APSET: anthropology, history, chemical sciences, commerce, computer science and application, economics, education, English, earth, atmospheric, ocean and planetary science, environmental science, geography, Hindi, journalism and mass communication, law, life sciences, zoology, botany, biotechnology, microbiology, all these comes under life sciences, library and information science, management, mathematical sciences, Physical sciences, comes under physical sciences, and physical education, philosophy, political science, psychology, public administration, Sanskrit, sociology, social work, Telugu, Urdu, visual arts. Okay, these are the 30 subjects which are listed in APSET notification. And what is the examination pattern? In this examination, we have two papers. The first paper is a general paper. It has 50 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So, in paper 1, you have 100 marks. The duration of paper 1 is 60 minutes. The paper will be in both medium, English and Telugu medium. And second paper, it is related to their subject. You have 100 multiple choice questions. Each one carries 2 marks. So the paper 2 contribution is 200 marks. And the duration of paper 2 is 120 minutes. That is 2 hours. It is most of the subjects are in English medium. Some exceptions are there. Commerce, economics, education, history, political science, public administration, sociology. Okay, these subjects will be in both English and Telugu medium. And in paper 1 and paper 2, there is no negative marks. In paper 1, they will assess your teaching and research abilities, and also they will assess your cognitive abilities, and also they will assess your teaching learning abilities in higher education system. Okay, these are the contents which are assessed in paper 1. In paper 1, you have 10 subtopics: teaching aptitude, research aptitude, comprehension, communication, mathematical reasoning and aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation, ICT, information communication technology, people, environment and development, higher education system. The paper 1 of APSET is similar to the paper 1 of UGC NET. In paper 2, you have your subject related multiple choice questions. Mostly they will test your UC level and PG level subject. And also the syllabus of paper 2 is similar to the syllabus which is prescribed in UGC NET and also CSIR NET. What are the benefits of clearing CET? Here, the qualified candidates are eligible to apply for the post of assistant professors in Andhra Pradesh. It is named as lecturers only in colleges situated in the Andhra Pradesh state from where they have cleared their CET. Okay, they are eligible for assistant professors in colleges, not in universities. Recently, UGC has given some guidelines regarding eligibility of assistant professors in colleges and also universities. In colleges, NET, SLET, PhD are the qualifications for the assistant professors in colleges, but in universities they should have PhD. And if you clear CET, you will get higher preference in teaching in any institute, not only in government institutes and also in private institutes. They will consider the clearing of CET, and also you will get a chance to become a subject expert. Thank you very much.